Hey guys, Elizabeth here, and today we're gonna make a tutorial. Now, this is Windows Movie Maker, and I don't think they have it out anymore, but there are some tutorials out there for you if you want to download this version. And if you want me to make a video about that, just leave it in the comments below, and I will get to that. Anyway, here is a tutorial on how to do most of the basics on Windows Movie Maker. Now, this is normally a slideshow kind of platform or whatever you want to call it, but I edit my videos on here, and you can do a title card, and then you can name it whatever you want. Just type it in here. I'm gonna put my movie back. And you can, up here, you can change the words and the size and the color, and whether sideways or bold or transparent. Pretty basic stuff. And this is the background of your this. And I know the text just went away, but if you grabbed this black bar and move it, you'll get to see. And this is your words animation. See? So, and this is how long it, this is for the text. If you go to video, it'll be for this. Background color, whatever you want. Now, for project, if you have a recording or a picture that is wide, that has bars on the bottom or on the sides, you can go to widescreen, and it should take the bars off, or standard. Now, I have to do a lot of my videos in standard because I have a 4x3 computer, but it's up to you on what you do. Now here, I'm gonna need some pictures. Let me go in here to take pictures for a slideshow, and you have a ton of pictures. Like, you already have a folder, and you've already organized the pictures, and you want. A lot of people just go one by one by one by one because they don't know that if you go over here and you drag this blue bar all the way to the bottom and you press open, see, you get all of the things. Now, see, for this, I have the long black bars because it's a widescreen, see? But I have it right here for this. You can't pick widescreen for one and standard for the other because that's how it is. You'll have to pick it for the whole video. And I'm sorry, but that's how it is. And for each picture, if you go and you grab all these pictures and you want them all the same speed, make sure they all have the blue thing. As soon as you get it, go to video tools, edit, pick a time, like 1 second, click off of it, and there you go. You got 1 minute or 1 second for each picture. Now, it works for that for each thing. Like, as long as they're blue, you can make them have all the same settings. Now, you can only make them all blue if you just get them out. Like, if you click off, there's no way to go back. So I'm going to pick all of these, make them 1 minute long, and then this is the animations. Now, you can go through here and pick all kinds of ones, but I like using the clear through here, or the black. I'm gonna pick clear, and all these over here are different zooms and stuff. Like, for example, yeah, I'm gonna click off of this. I'm gonna show you. See? And then you go to visual, and it colorizes, like, it changes the colors of your pictures. Like, I can do this to make it all weird and creepy, or I can make it like this. Black and white, cyan tone, this old Western look. This gives it like bubbles on the screen, but I never, you can't really tell that it's there. This is where it fades out to black. I think fades in from white, fades in from black, fades out to white, changes colors, pixels, rotates, waves. Okay, so there's that. Now, let's delete all of this. And this is how I edit my videos. I'll do a title, right click, remove. Make sure you right click the caption. I'll go and I'll make this 1 minute, so it's in the beginning of the video. And then you'll go to your videos, and then you'll wait down here. This is how long it's gonna load into your thing. This depends on how big of a video, how long of a video you have, and it'll just take either a couple seconds, a couple minutes. Could take up to 30 minutes. I've took a 4-hour video and it took a long time to load, but then I'll come to animation, animation. Come down here to, I believe this, and see, it fades in. Now, if you click on the video and you go to video, you can turn up or down the sound. I'm gonna come here. You can fade in or fade out the sound. You can quicken the video, stuff like that. Now let's say you're in the middle of the video and you found a part that you want to cut out. What you do is you right click on this bar, you go to split, you might want to cut out this much out, split, right click on the part that you don't want anymore, remove, it's gone. That's it. But I've noticed sometimes my splits don't work completely as I want them to. Sometimes it cuts off a little too much, sometimes it doesn't cut off enough. It's how Movie Maker is, I think, or I just suck at it. But yeah, like if you were doing a coloring video and you want it to go really fast, I normally cut it up to 16 or 32 because the videos are like 4 hours long and I somehow make it 9 minutes. So see, it's there. See? But then you can turn it back to 1. And that's it. And you can take this and you can make things smaller or bigger, and you can scroll this to change the time, but I just find this is easier so you know exactly where you are. And then this makes it full screen, and you can cut things and you can copy. Like let's say you were making a video or like a slideshow. And let's get save pictures, and let's get this really pretty cherry blossom, and let's make it 0.40. Now, to make it really easy, you can click this, put a period 4, and then press enter, and it does it all for you. And then I'm gonna make it rainbow. And then I'm gonna make it fade, and I'm gonna come here to copy. I'm gonna paste it like, I don't know, 6 times, and then see, it looks a little weird, but that's probably, like, it probably would have been better if you just do this. It's all fading and all pretty instead of doing some weird thing like that. But anyway, my point is, like, you can do all kinds of things. Or you can, for example, come here, and you come here, do it a minute long, copy, paste, and then go from each one and give it a different animation. Oh, well, you can't really tell because it's the same freaking picture. But you can give it different things. Here, let's see this. See, it changes the thing, and that's an easy thing for you to do. Now, to go back and forth from each, like, I'm going to call them chapters or little slots in your thing, you can use your arrow keys from left to right or up and down. That's an easy, an easy fix. So, oh, and I almost forgot that if you go to add music, you can add to current point. If you do add music, it adds it to the whole video. If you do add current, at current point, it'll just be at this one slot in the video. So there's come down to the save movie. And if you're making a YouTube video, you go to for high definition display, and you can name it whatever you want. And then it's going to take a minute to save your video. This can take really long, or it can be really fast like it is now. Now, I hope this helped. If you have any questions about Windows Movie Maker, please leave in the comments below. If you do want me to make a tutorial on how to install Windows Movie Maker for Windows 10, leave in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, share, and comment. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And thank you guys for watching.